The Large Hadron Collider at CERN is one of the holiest sites for physicists across the world. The experiments at the massive underground facility have attempted to look deep into the workings of the universe. While the research progresses around subatomic particles, two physicists from CERN are pitching for a unique idea: a Large Hadron Collider encircling the Moon. The high-energy physics experiment was detailed in the preprint database archive that states that the circular collider could reach an energy of 14 quadrillion electron volts, which is 1,000 times the energy of the LHC at CERN near Geneva. The proposed collider by physicists James Beecham and Frank Zimmermann would likely be buried under the lunar surface and powered by the sun via solar panels. The collider, that could take its own time in the making, could succeed the proposed future circular collider at CERN or a superproton-proton collider in China. Why do we need high-energy colliders? To understand the workings of the universe, physics needs to go beyond the Higgs boson particle, and that requires bigger experiments, and for such experiments more energy is required, that can be generated by bigger colliders than the one on Earth. Stretching over 11,000 kilometers in circumference, the circular collider could pave the way for understanding the deeper intricacies of physics that remain a source of mystery, like the once-God particle that was detected by the collider, or the gravitational waves by the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. Building a hadron collider on the Moon is an idea that, just a few years ago, would have been squarely in the realm of science fiction. But now, because NASA and other organizations are seriously considering returning to the Moon, it's an idea that might be possible sometime in the next 100 years. So, after the future circular collider at CERN, our great-great-granddaughters could be lunar particle physicists. One of the biggest advantages of building it on the Moon is the massive property just sitting there in a vacuum. Proposing that a public-private partnership in the future could ensure it, the physicists say through partnerships between public and private organizations interested in establishing a permanent Moon presence, a CCM could be the next generation discovery machine. The physicists maintain that the collider on the Moon could be a stepping stone towards reaching Planck energy at which gravity and quantum mechanics might work together, which is yet to be observed on Earth. However, that may require an even bigger circular collider.